Find the coordinates of the point of intersection of the lines 2x plus 3y is equal to 5 and 2x plus y is equal to 3. This is a multiple choice question, and so you will solve the question, and then after that you will pick the correct option. The question wants us to find the coordinates of the point of intersection of these two lines. When two lines intersect, you can find the coordinates of the point of intersection of the two lines by solving the equations of the two lines simultaneously. So here, to get the coordinates of the point of intersection of these two lines, we are going to solve the equations of these two lines simultaneously. The first one is 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. I'll call that equation 1. And the second one is 2x plus y is equal to 3. I'll call that equation 2. I'm going to eliminate x, and so I'll subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So I will take equation 1 and then I'll subtract equation 2 from it. We will have 2x minus 2x plus 3y minus y is equal to 5 minus 3. 2x minus 2x will give us 0. 2y minus y will give us 2y. 5 minus 3 will give us 2. To get y, I'll divide both sides by 2. So y will be equal to 2 divided by 2, which will give us 1. And so the value of y is 1. What it means is that the y coordinate of the point of intersection of the two lines is 1. Let's find the x coordinate. We can pick any of the equations. I'll pick equation 2. From equation 2, we know that 2x plus y is equal to 3. We have just found out that y is 1. So it means that we can replace y here with 1. When we do that, we are going to have 2x plus 1 is equal to 3. And 2x will be equal to 3 minus 1, which will give us 2. So 2x is equal to 2. To get x, I will divide both sides by 2. And so x will be equal to 2 divided by 2, which is 1. What this also means is that the x coordinate of the point of intersection of the two lines is also 1. So the x coordinate is 1 and the y coordinate is 1. This means that the coordinates of the point of intersection of these two lines are 1 and 1. When we look through the options we have here, we can see that the correct option is option C, 1, 1.